Hey guys, it's Yoni. On today's video, we are going to be talking about things not to do if you are planning on buying a home. Before we get started, please subscribe, please like all of our videos and our channel and subscribe to everything. And I think I say this every time, but we come out with new videos once a week, and subscribing will keep you up to date on when a new video gets posted. So follow us on Facebook, follow us and like us on YouTube, subscribe. Thank you. So first things first, what you shouldn't do, don't start searching homes online by yourself. Don't search Zillow, don't search Redfin. I know it's very tempting. Here's why. Until you really know from a lender's perspective what you actually can afford and what you can't afford, a lot of people think that they can afford more than they actually can, and so they start looking at homes that are above their price point. So what happens from that? You get jaded. You start seeing homes that are above your price point, so they're a little bit out of your reach, and once you realize that you can't have those, once you start seeing the homes that are more within your reach, they suddenly don't seem as nice because you were just spoiled with a different price point. So there's nothing to be ashamed of, not having a higher price point. There's always a higher price point. Just from a mental standpoint, buying a home is stressful enough. You don't need to add some unnecessary stress in there by kind of jading your view on what you can actually afford and what to expect. Number two, don't start looking at homes kind of along the same lines until you've talked to the lender. So a lot of times people don't have a good lender to go to, or they don't know anybody and they just want to go to their bank. That's fine, but don't forget that banks are competing against each other, so each bank has their own set of parameters and set of rates, and you would be foolish not to search around. We have some good relationships with mortgage brokers who have access to multiple banks, way more than you would even have the opportunity to look for, and they can shop those rates for you. So most important, talk to a lender. Second most important, talk to a lender that you trust. Third most important, talk to us if you don't have a lender that you know or trust, because we know them and we trust them, and we're going to give you guys good referrals because we want this to be a good, smooth experience for everybody. So there's no financial benefit that we get out of referring a mortgage broker, nothing at all besides us knowing that the deal is going to close and that you're going to get taken care of. One more thing that you absolutely should not be doing, and this is going to affect things on the lending side, but if you are planning on making a purchase, don't start making large purchases on other things. Don't go buy a boat because you plan to buy a lake house, and you want to have that boat ready to go. Don't go buy new cars. Try to limit how many times your credit gets run. Don't put new debt onto your credit history because that's going to affect your lending parameters, and you want everything going for you when you go and try to get your mortgage. You want the best rate possible. So stay calm. Don't start spending everywhere until you kind of know what you can get away with and what you can't. That being said, let us know if you have any questions. If there's any other content that you want us to touch on, shoot us a message, reach out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and that's it.